brand new day and amazing weather. So I decided to get a cleaner, and I know I have to be careful the accessories and the windows and stuff, but it is so dirty. You can't really see it on video, but you see dirt there. I did some by hand, but it's gonna be amazing. I will show you some spots later that I can't get off with my hands. So it's time for the installation. Okay, this was not the plan. I dropped the pistol from the pressure washer and it was under the boat, but 2 meters deep, and I found it. So what I want to clean today is this. There are spots on the deck that I can't remove with my hand, and just as under the panels, super dirty. So there are various spots also on the deck there that I'm gonna clean. Let's go! That is an amazing result. Look at that. There are some spots left, but I can fix that. And this is a huge difference. So, it's been a project so far, but all the mold is gone. I really like that. It's getting cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. Look at this. I had some spray off, but yeah, I need to fix that. But look at that. That's getting white and dry. So happy with that. It's hard to see on camera, but look at the right side and look at the left side. There's a huge difference, but it's hard to see. Looks clean. That looks miles better. So happy. Look at that. Alright, so the cleaning went very well, and look who came by today. There is Mark.
Hello.
Hey man. Very exciting stuff for you today.
Oh yeah.
And I won't tell too much, but
oh, don't worry, spoiler.
Spoiler! Well, we're gonna look at probably a boat yard where we can check the catamaran, maybe get pulled out for the first time.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. Well, guys, more on his channel. See you soon. What a day, what a day. We're back. I'm back at the marina. Had an amazing day with Mark. It was really fun, and hopefully it's gonna work out. But of course you'll see that on his channel. A lot of people will think, why did you use pressure washer on your boat? Careful. I know. I want to make sure that it gets clean, because I did a lot of cleaning. I also have an episode of cleaning. Most of the dirt came off, and the last part of the dirt I needed to do with the strong stream of the pressure washer. I'm really satisfied with the results. I will put some beauty shots after this part, and then it's done for today, guys. I'm really happy with the results again, and it was amazing to meet Mark and have a few good laughs in Muiden and in Weesp, where his boat yard probably is going to be. So exciting stuff, and on to the next one.